All right, guys, I got kind of a funny comment slash little semi-feud, and all it reminded me of was this show. I don't know if you guys are older like me, you remember this show. I believe it was in the 90s. Bill Cosby show called Kids Say the Darndest Things. And that's exactly what happened. And he thinks he's the guy that said the darndest thing. He is just a kid. I can call him a guy because he is in his 20s, but he's just a kid. Let me show you. And I'm not here to defame anybody or anything, but I'm going to defend myself, and I'm going to tell it like it is, and I always will. So let's go to... Okay, so I pulled up, I just did a screenshot of what happened here. So if we go through, so I went on his page, on one of his... Sorry, dog was distracting me. I went on his page and I noticed something on the way he was doing his ductwork, and his whole post was about how ductwork is a lost art form. You know, I mean, if you watch any of my videos, I obviously know nothing about ductwork, right? I have no idea what I'm doing with it. I don't have any clue on how to build ductwork, how to design ductwork, how to put it together, things to do, things not to do. You know, I don't know anything about that, right? So I just make a comment here: takeoffs are too close to your end cap, need at least 18 inches from the last tap to the end. Honest comment, right? That's not trolling anybody. That's not bad-mouthing anybody. That's trying to give advice. It's not meant to be negative. It's not any animosity of any sort. Just there to try to help, right? So who did I make this comment to? Now I'm going to divulge the name because, like I said, this has got to be truthful and real life, so I'm not going to hide anything. So let's go back, let's scroll. Oh, who is it? It's...
Hello? Who's that?
Okay, well, I know he's 26 years old. So what does he say? He says not on return ductwork. So let's stop there. I didn't know it was return ductwork. I just saw taps close to an end cap, okay? And there was multiple of them, so that would make me assume that it was supplies, right? Because most homes these days don't have multiple returns. And granted, I did not look at the whole video, so I did not see that it was return ductwork, and I don't know if he mentions that in the video. But anyway, he proceeds, no, the return ductwork, and it's not 18 inches, it's 15. Now, who knows that? You can go on. You can go on SmackNA. You can go on. Ask very reputable guys in the industry. Some will say 18 inches. Some will say 12. Some will say 24. You know, he's definitive here. Like, he knows that it's not 18 inches. It's 15, but 12 is still acceptable. And
that's what she said.
And that might very well be true, but it's what he says next which is ridiculous. I had to keep things nice and tight in this room, so I didn't like it like that, and it works great. Another happy homeowner. Stay in your lane.
Well, I think this whole shelf looks suspect.
Telling somebody who's been doing this longer than he's been alive 26 years, I've been doing this 30 plus years, he needs to learn some respect, and that's why I'm outing him here in this video. This kid better learn some respect, because I'm gonna quickly bypass him in subscribers. He talks ghetto. He hasn't grown up yet, and he's making comments like this. He's not going to go very far. So let's continue on here. So then he says 3 minutes later, he says, I just deleted all those links to your channel you had posted in my comments. Ha ha ha. I think a long time ago, sorry, I've still got this cold. I think a long time ago I posted a couple videos, on links of mine on his, just because I wanted to show he was doing a couple things wrong. I wanted to show the proper way. And I guess he thought that was me trying to promote off of him. I don't need to ride on his shoulders, that's for sure. So anyway, let's turn this back so you can see it better. Oh shit, sorry. Okay. So anyway, I just deleted these links to your channel. You had posted my comments. Keep it up and I'll just hide your comments from the channel. No free promo. What is this? Who does this kid think he is? 26-year-old kid? This is what happens when you get a young kid into a truck too soon. He gets a big head, right? He starts buying tools, thinks he knows it all, and still doesn't really know how to talk to customers. He doesn't understand is what I not only do I advertise for my work, via different outlets, and I also get lots of referral work. So I gather my own work, I sell my own work, I order up all my own equipment, I put in all my own equipment, I collect the check, I take care of the warranties, I take care of the maintenance. All he does is go out and install, and he's a little punk. So he's outed. Tell me what you guys think about it. Watch some. I'm promoting his channel right here. Watch some of his videos. It's so ghetto. It's ridiculous. It's like watching a third grader do HVAC. So, oh, I don't like these feuds, but I gotta out this kid because he's not gonna talk to me like that.